Students, in this video we are going to learn the solution of question number 10 from chapter 4 of capacitor and dielectrics from Newton ISC physics. The question says that there is a paper which is being placed between two plates of copper. The area of each plate of copper being 10 centimeters square. The thickness of the paper being 0.005 centimeter. And its dielectric constant being 2.5. Now the paper can bear a maximum electric field of 5 into 10 to the power of 5 volt per centimeter. Then you are required to find the maximum voltage to which the capacitor can be charged and the maximum charge that can be stored onto the capacitor. Now the question says that I have got two plates of copper. So this is one plate of copper. Let me write down as a plate 1. Okay, and then I have got another plate. So let's say this is my plate 2, and in between these two plates, what is there? There is a paper that has been placed. So in between these two plates, so this is the area where what I have placed. I have placed the paper in between these two plates. So this area is completely filled with some sort of a paper. Now what is the thickness of the paper? The thickness of the paper happens to be 0.005 सेंटीमीटर. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर ये दो प्लेट्स थे आपके पास, एक ये ऊपर वाला, ठीक है, और एक नीचे वाला जो आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक. और इन दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में मैंने एक पेपर का टुकड़ा जिसकी थिकनेस कितनी दे रखी है 0.005 सेंटीमीटर है, इन प्लेट्स के बीच में रख दिया. यानी दिस पेपर विल एक्ट एज एन इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल, और इन दोनों के बीच में ये इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल की तरह, दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल की तरह बिहेव कर रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इट कैन बी? The maximum electric field that this paper can withstand is 5 into 10 to the power of 5 volt per centimeter. तो आपने इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के चैप्टर में एक रिलेशनशिप पढ़ा था, that was relating the electric field and the potential difference. तो अगर मैं उस रिलेशनशिप को स्टेट करूं तो E was minus delta V by delta X. Electric field is negative gradient of potential. Electric field is negative gradient of potential. अब नेगेटिव साइन क्या बताता था हमें? नेगेटिव साइन का काम यह था, ये बताना कि पोटेंशियल इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमेशा डिक्रीज करता है. तो न्यूमेरिकल पर्पज से मैं कह सकता हूं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज मॉडुलस ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव is modulus of potential gradient, or simply for numerical practices E is equals to delta V by delta X की तरह मैं ट्रीट कर सकता हूं, ठीक. तो अब कितनी मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वो सस्टेन कर सकता है? मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो वो सस्टेन कर सकता है वो 5 into 10 to the power of 5 volt per सेंटीमीटर है फ्रेंड्स. और पोटेंशियल हमें निकालना है, कितना पोटेंशियल डेवलप कर सकता है इस प्लेट्स के अक्रॉस मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल, और कितनी थिकनेस है इस कागज के टुकड़े की. कागज के टुकड़े की थिकनेस है 0.005 सेंटीमीटर. देखो दोस्तों मैंने किया क्या, मैंने सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि दोनों ही जगह सेंटीमीटर है. देयरफॉर मैंने उसको सेंटीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर रहने दिया. तो डेल्टा वी इज इक्वल्स टू, यहां से निकल के आ रहा 5 into 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 0.005, and on solving this becomes 5 5s are 25, और यह 10 की पावर 5 है, और यहां से अगर आप शिफ्ट करेंगे तो 10 की पावर -3 हो जाएगा, तो ये हो गया 2500 volt. So this is the maximum potential difference that can be safely applied across this paper without the paper getting hampered. So I've got the potential difference now. Now the question asks me how much charge can be stored onto the capacitance. Now, what is the capacitance of this capacitor? So you already know, in order to find out the capacitance of the capacitor, parallel plate capacitor, I can use the formula C is equals to K epsilon naught A by D, where K happens to be the dielectric constant. So what is the dielectric constant that is placed in between these plates of the capacitor? That is 2.5. Epsilon naught happens to be 8.85 into 10 raised to the power of minus 12. What is the area of the plates? The area of the plates is 100 centimeter, to 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square, upon what is the distance between the two plates? The distance between the two plates is just equivalent to the thickness of the paper that we have placed, that is 0.005 centi 10 to the power of minus 2. So let's solve it, and then we can get the capacitance of the capacitor, and it comes out on solving to be 4.425 into 10 to the power of minus 9 farad. Now this is the capacitance of the given capacitor, and what is the potential that can be applied maximum is 2500. So what is the maximum charge that it can store? So Q will be equals to C times of V. So what is the maximum capacitance? Sorry, what is the capacitance? That is 4.425 into 10 raised to the power of minus 9 multiplied by 2500, and let's solve it out. So this comes out to be 1.106 into 10 raised to the power of minus 5 coulomb, or one can also say 1.11 into 10 raised to the power of minus 5 coulomb. I hope this gives you the method of solving this type of particular problem, students. Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a like or comment. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू द सेम. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video is loaded, you get the notification. Take care, and we will meet back again with a new video and a new solution. Thank you, friends.